In this lab, we will continue with the LSH function. We will find the space usage affected by these parameters. B is the number of bands and R is the number of rows in one band. Space utilization will be different for each pair, as the space will depend on the number of bands. Since for each band we will need to maintain a hash table for hashing the number of rows for each document. The space will be proportional to B for my implementation of the universal hash function for integer list, since the size of the hash table will be 10 times number of documents. So the larger the value of B, the higher space is needed for these hash tables. Space usage is approximate, does not take into account space used in chaining. So we will import the library sys. I will just show you some of the calculations. So for B in B vals, print B. So B vals values are 10, 20, 25, and 50. Let space based on B equal in the array form B times 10 times number of documents times sys dot get size of bracket int for B in vals space. Now this as system get size of, I'll just insert a new row. I'll just show you what value it is. System get size of int is 28. So when we do this calculation in B times 10 times number of documents, and we know that number of documents is 6,906. Show that. 3,430 number of documents. Show that. 3,430 times sys dot get size of bracket int for B in B files. We get these values. Then okay, so if B is equal to 10, which is the first value in the array of B files, then the first value is 9,604,000. Sys dot get size of int, that is 28. So print tabulate zip B vals, comma, space based on B, headers equal number of bands, and approximate use space usage in bytes. So when we run this, we get this. Now, okay, so space based on B equal this array here, which we have shown, and in the table form with the headers, number of bands, and approximate space used in bytes, the values are these. Just run that. Then we plot approximate space used versus number of bands. So we will plot plt.plot of B vals, comma, space based on B, and we label the x-axis plt.x label has number of bands bracket B, and the y label plt.y label is approximate space used in bytes. And when we run this, we get this. So it shows a straight line, so which means As the number of bands B increases, the approximate space used in bytes also increases.